In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an Instacart order. So if shopping has not started, you can cancel an order for a full refund without fees before a shopper begins shopping. So what you would need to do is you would need to open the Instacart app and then go to the account icon on the top right corner. Once you're over here, you would need to go ahead and select on orders. So yep, here it is. And then you guys should see a bunch of orders over here. So unfortunately, I don't have any orders at the moment, but if you do have a recent order, then it will appear over there. Then you want to choose the order that you want to cancel. Then you want to tap help at the bottom of the order page. Then you need to select on order, choose a reason, and then tap save, and then you should be good to go. However, if shopping or delivery has started, you cannot cancel the order yourself, and a $15 cancellation fee may apply. So if you still want to cancel regardless of the fee, what you want to do is you want to contact Instacart customer support. So here's the phone number for Instacart. So you need to go ahead and call them, or you can go ahead and email them, but basically you want to explain to them your situation and you want to explain the reason why you need to go ahead and cancel your order. And just some other things to know, orders like meal combos, catering, cakes, or deli items cannot be canceled within 24 to 48 hours of the delivery window, depending on the retailer. And refunds are processed immediately, but may take up to 5 to 10 business days to reflect in your bank account. So again, just keep this in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.